Hey, what is going on everyone? FrancoTech here, and as of July 29th, 2015, we now have the newest installment to the Windows series, the highly anticipated Windows 10. Coming right after the horrible launch of Windows 8, many people are wondering, is Windows 10 worth the upgrade? Well, let's find out in under 5 minutes. Starting with the main thing people wanted, we finally get the start menu back that was missing with Windows 8, but this is a more revamped hybrid between the regular start menu in Windows 7 and the tile version start menu from Windows 8. And what makes it a hybrid is the fact that you still get your main start menu features that you had in Windows 7, but you also get the tiles that you had in the Windows 8 version as well. All of this is customizable, and you can add and arrange applications here to whatever layout you desire. You can also change the height and width of the start menu by either dragging vertically or horizontally, but if you love the whole tablet look, well, you can have that too by just one simple click in these settings. Also in the start menu, you have the app drawer, which has a vertical view of all the apps you have installed on your PC, and it is organized in an alphabetical order, making everything very easy to find. And if you want to download more apps, you can do so by going into the Windows App Store, which has numerous apps, games, and music, and even the Xbox app for those who are gamers. Now, you may have noticed the search bar down at the bottom that may look a little familiar to you. This nifty little search bar can really make things easier and faster to find. By simply typing in what you're looking for, finding apps, and quickly searching for something online can be done right from the home screen, and I absolutely love this feature. Which this actually brings me into the next main feature, Cortana. Some of you may know what Cortana is, and some may not. While Apple has Siri and Google has Google Now, Microsoft has Cortana, which is its very own voice-activated search system that works pretty much the exact same as the others. Cortana is your assistant, and you can ask her to do many things like open or search for files, set reminders, make new calendar dates, tell you the weather, give you sport updates, tell you jokes, and much more. Cortana is one of the new main features for Windows 10, however, for those that don't care for it, it can be deactivated. Say goodbye to the most hated browser ever, Internet Explorer. Well, kinda. It's still here, but there's a new kid in town that's taking over, and that kid's name is Microsoft Edge, the newest browser to come from Microsoft. This browser is so much better and faster than Internet Explorer, and it looks great too. While I still favor Google Chrome over Microsoft Edge, I can tell that this browser will be used and loved by many. However, if for some odd reason you still want to use Internet Explorer, well, that can be done too, but yeah, I don't know why you would want to use it. Moving on to another cool feature, Snap. This feature is easily my favorite, and it's what made me really want to upgrade to Windows 10. Windows 7 also had Snap, but Windows 10 has a better, more upgraded version of Snap. The main difference here is that there are more ways of rearranging multiple windows on this screen. While Windows 7 only had open windows snap to the top and the side of the screen, Windows 10 added the ability to snap windows into the corners, as well as making it easier to have 4 open windows displayed at the same time. Snap is a very useful feature for those that are multitaskers like myself. But say you need all of these windows open, but your desktop is way too cluttered. Well, with Windows 10, we get this newly added task view, which basically makes you have more than one desktop. This is a very useful and helpful feature that I found myself using quite a bit. You can add multiple desktops and easily cycle through them when needed. This helps keep excess clutter off of your main desktop while still keeping your important windows open in other desktops. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is the notification bar on the right side of the screen. Here you get notifications on many things like recently installed apps and more. There are also some quick toggle buttons down at the bottom like Connect, Settings, and a few more, but the main toggle button here is the tablet mode, which, well, turns your Windows 10 experience into a tablet mode, which in fact is for touchscreen devices. So whether you're coming from Windows 8 or Windows 7, right off the bat, let me just tell you, Windows 10 is worth the upgrade. There's so many new features added to Windows 10 that I really enjoyed, and overall I was highly impressed by the new operating system. It runs and looks really great for both tablets or laptops and desktops, so if you're still debating whether or not to upgrade to the latest version, let me just tell you right now, you should, especially if you have that free upgrade. However, operating systems are known to have a few bugs on release, and although I haven't run into any that I know of yet, I do recommend waiting a bit until most of them are cleared out with updates. Anyways guys, this is my hands-on first impressions of Windows 10 under 5 minutes, and again, I'm very satisfied with what Microsoft has done here. So if you like this video, go ahead and leave a like down below. Be sure to share this with friends and family who are interested in Windows 10. Comment any questions that you have down below, and I'll try to answer as many as possible. And of course, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.